Hey, welcome to the channel. This is Young from Dream Design Construction. Today I'm gonna show you our patio cover product that we just finished. And I know that you guys have a lot of questions like how long it's gonna take, how much does it cost, what is the difference, what is the benefit, and what is the difference between traditional build and our system build. Let's go check it out, guys. So what we got here is aluminum patio cover, 19 wide by 15 feet deep. It's about 9 foot height. Great thing about this product is the limited lifetime warranty and maintenance free. So it's not like a traditional build where you need to keep up with, your shingles and paint and all that. Versus something like this, it's a pretty fast build. We actually built this in 1 to 2 days, but it's less expensive than a traditional build. So I kind of wanted to show you guys how this system works and how the system looks. Benefit of this product is actually because we're attaching it to the house, we actually don't need a footer. This actually could get on existing slab, anywhere from like 4 to 5 inch slab. We could actually put this post on here as long as you're attaching it to the house. And this roof system here, because this is an insulated roof, it's gonna actually keep the heat away under the screening porch versus like a traditional build or just regular aluminum build. So having an insulated roof definitely gonna help with that. This also come with our gutter system, all custom made, ready to go. Our porch covers, it could actually go on an existing concrete, even it could go on an existing deck. Like I said, benefit of these products, it's maintenance free, limited lifetime warranty. They actually come in, 3 different colors, white, black, and beige, So if you like this little modern look, this is the way to go. For size like this, if you're trying to do a traditional build, with like a roof or shed roof, go through the county, doing all the permitting drawings, it could probably take months to actually build, okay? But something like this, we actually get all engineered, have everything designed, and all the materials get shipped to the job site, even from screws to caulking, all the materials. That's why we're able to build this within 1 to 2 days versus traditional build. You got to go through all this process, and of course, it's going to cost a lot more money in labor. Product like this, aluminum is more expensive in general than regular wood, but because we're able to save a lot of time of labor, the cost could actually be less expensive than a traditional build. So this is something why I recommend our system. You're not sure if you want it screened in, if you want to do like a 3-season or 4-season room with glasses, don't worry about it. You could actually just get a cover like this, but you could always upgrade in the future. So you call us back later if you want to do like a screen and porch. We could actually redesign this to actually put a screen. If you actually want to put a glass, that's also an option. So don't let your imagination stop you.